Hello everybody, this is a quick video to give you an overview of the Blackboard shell for Theologies from the Margins. I'm Dr. Pagoda, the professor for this course. So whenever you log into the Blackboard homepage, it'll look something like this. So I'm going to click on the course, Theologies from the Margins. Whenever you enter the course, it'll take you to the home page, which is also for announcements. This is so that you immediately see any updates that I send out. And then you'll see that there are 4 additional links on the left-hand side in the menu. Under Getting Started, Getting Help, you'll find the syllabus, a place to ask questions, the syllabus acknowledgement, which you have to submit in order to see the graded assignments or to earn any grades for this course. Then there's the information sheet, the introductions page, and then a place for information about joining my virtual office hours. So on the third link over here, you'll see module contents. So the first one is course terminology, and then the other is module 1 through 9. There's a link for each one. Each module corresponds with the week, the way that I've set it up. So just to give you an example of what these links look like, what the modules look like, I'm going to click on Module 5, Womanist Theologies. So whenever you click on it, you'll see that it comes up with kind of a brief introductory statement and then a variety of links, the book that you need to read, and then optional text in this case. So I'm going to go back, and then each week will proceed the same way. For each module, you also have graded work to complete. You'll have a response that you complete and then replies to that are on the discussion board. And there's a link for each one, as you can see. Be sure to take a look at this link, How to Write Discussion Board Post. It contains details about my expectations and then just different tips that I think will help you from having taught classes for many years. So I'm going to go back to graded work. Here's the instructions for the show and tell presentation, the professor Q&A threads, the reflection essay, personal manifesto, and the semester exam. And then one thing I want to point out, until you complete and submit the syllabus acknowledgement, you will not be able to see anything in this folder, and that's a note for that. And then just the main important thing to remember is that for module responses, for the professor Q&A threads, for show and tell, they all require replies. The discussion will be a big part of our course. So that is the 4th link. The last one is my grades. And this is where you'll see the grades as I grade your assignments. Everything will be graded pretty quickly. I know that it's a summer course and that you'll need the feedback really quickly. Anytime you want more feedback than I provide, just let me know. And then if you have questions about your grades or if you want to improve, let me know. And of course, improvement is always really important whenever I assign semester grades. So that should pretty much be an overview of the Blackboard shell. Please take time to go through yourself, click on everything, get a kinesthetic visual feeling and kind of just an idea of where everything is and get very familiar with the layout. And this will help you do well the next 9 weeks in this class. Thank you.